Hello there, my name's Alex from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about how we provide you the best value that you will find anywhere online. And that is with this wonderful big greenhouse that we've got here, which is temperature controlled and allows us to do some incredible things like get these seedlings into some ground here. And as you can see, we've got the lupin crown, all these little seedlings at varying levels of growth. You've also, this isn't the lupin crown, but you can see that we've got different areas of that growth from immediately straight into the soil as they're building up. And as we can see here, you've got the sweet peas as we go along. And this right here is how we're able to get you the value that you deserve. So make sure you get yourself onto Gardening Express today and get yourself as much as you possibly can.